How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to talk to you today about the incoming death cross for Cardano. Now, this is something that you're going to hear a lot, I think, over the coming weeks, and it's something you have to pay attention to. So, there's going to be some fear, uncertainty, and doubt about Cardano. I'm already seeing it. People wondering whether now's the time to sell Cardano and buy something that's moving a lot quicker, and whether it is time to just give up on Cardano. Is it a dead project, right? So I want to talk about that here today. Talk about the death cross that's coming, what it means, why you should not give it too much attention. And I want to apologize for my voice. I have lost it, but I wanted to bring this to you because I know it's something that can help a lot of people. And it's something that a lot of people are wondering about right now. So if you guys don't mind hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, I'm going to try to keep this under 8 minutes. That way you don't get mid-roll ads. That is one of the most important things to me right now, is that you guys don't have to deal with that because there's so much happening in the market. I don't want to waste your time. So if you want to show support, you can hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Also, if you want to show support, you can check out the link underneath the video to BlockFi to get an interest rate on your cryptocurrency. And if you want an interest rate on your Cardano, you can sign up with Voyager underneath the video. So they both give you bonuses. What is this death cross that I'm talking about? It's not fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Well, there's some of it that comes along with it, but the actual death cross is a real thing. So if you haven't heard about a death cross, we're going to take a look at the ADA Bitcoin, ADA versus Bitcoin. This is comparing ADA's price to Bitcoin's price. A death cross is where we have the 50-day fall underneath the 200-day. So basically, it's showing a difference where Bitcoin's going up in price and Cardano is falling down, and it's showing that the 50-day is actually doing worse than the 200 days. And it's showing kind of a bearish pattern. Now, I think this is definitely gonna show up on a lot of news sites talking about how Cardano's dead. I mean, we haven't seen this for a while because this was the golden cross here where the 50-day went past it, showing a bullish momentum. And now we've had a couple waves, and then if we look, if Bitcoin keeps on running, which I think it will, because I think there's a lot of institutional money, we're looking at just a few weeks until we get this death cross. Now, this is Bitcoin versus ADA or ADA versus Bitcoin. It's also close. It was close here in August with just Cardano and Tether. So basically just ADA versus its value in USD. So we're a little bit further away with that. It's looking a couple weeks out there. But I've already seen it covered on some news sites. So what is this and why is it important? Well, again, it shows that there's kind of this bearish momentum on Cardano. We were very close back here. I don't pay it too much attention. So it's a great thing if you want to get a lot of people looking at your website. But the thing is, it's a lagging indicator. So that's number one. If you're wondering, like, should I sell Cardano when the death cross is here? It's a lagging indicator. It's already shown that over the last couple weeks, Cardano's been lagging behind. So it's not showing what's going to necessarily happen in the future. It's just showing bearish momentum that's happened over the last 50 days. With that being said, too, we don't know what's in the future, but we just got word on Ethereum 2.0 that it's actually going to be pushed back. So they talked about the difficulty bomb being pushed back until early summer. So that's great for some of these other cryptos. This puts Ethereum further and further back to having their next big upgrade. And we know that Cardano just had their smart contracts. They just had a huge summit event. So fundamentally, they are stronger than they've ever been. There's just not as much hype in the space. There's not as much hype in Cardano, I should say. With that being said, I also think we're getting ready to see a massive altcoin season. Now, Bitcoin dominance is coming down a little bit. We see certain cryptos like Solana, maybe even BNB, Ethereum the last few days, while Bitcoin's fallen down, those are going up. So it's bringing Bitcoin's dominance down. But I think we're still going to see more institutional money flowing into Bitcoin, and then it will eventually flow out. So if you're wondering, now do I want to throw money in Solana, take it from Cardano and throw it in Solana because Solana is over 200 and it's moving faster? I think you have to realize that that's one of the easiest ways to lose out on gains in crypto. If you're bullish on Solana, that's fine. But waiting until Solana is at over 200 and waiting for Cardano to trade sideways for 2 months, I think that's a horrible idea to move it now. moving money from something that hasn't moved in crypto that you feel strongly about to something else in crypto that you maybe feel strongly about but has already moved 100, 200% is a great way to miss out on gains. I mean, look at Cardano. We're seeing at the same price we were back in mid-August. So it's basically traded up and then traded sideways for the last 2 months. If we look at Solana 2 months ago, it was at a third the price, half the price. So again, if you want to move your money to something else and you feel stronger about that other cryptocurrency, that's fine. Just know you might miss out on Cardano's run, right? Once projects start really building on Cardano and there's need for liquidity, they will have to lock that up and Cardano will become more scarce. It's already a very high efficiency crypto. And while I do feel strongly about Solana too, and I've been averaging into Solana, I think people will miss out on Cardano if Cardano starts moving, and then they'll try to get back into Cardano and then Solana will start going up. So I think you have to be careful about that. So again, this death cross is coming most likely unless Cardano starts taking off. It will probably come here soon, but it's a lagging indicator. Cardano itself is looking more bullish throughout the end of the year because Ethereum 2.0 is being pushed back. Bitcoin dominance will go up, but then it will probably drain into a lot of the alts. Again, what are you going to do? You're going to buy something that's 150% up compared to Cardano, which has been trading sideways. And Cardano is looking strong with all their new upgrades and partnerships. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you guys want to support the channel, you can check out the links underneath the video to BlockFi to Voyager. Both of those actually pay you money for depositing on there and they pay you interest. And if you guys want to support just really easily, hitting the like and the subscribe definitely helps. Let me know if you're excited about Cardano. Again, it's one of my top 3 or 4 cryptocurrencies. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.